Picture Earth 50,000 to 100,000 years ago. You might think it was a world populated solely by Neanderthals and modern humans, but that's not quite right. You're missing over half the picture. Because until very recently, at least 6 different kinds of human species walked the Earth together. Our closest known relatives were the Neanderthals, the robust, short-statured humans who thrived in Europe. But humans weren't alone on the continent. Remains found in the south of France tell us that Denisovans also lived there too. But basically, they were stockier than us, with shorter limbs and larger brains. They ranged across Asia and interbred with both Neanderthals and humans. Their genes linger in some modern human populations, especially among those in East Asia. Then there were the strapping, long-legged Homo erectus, which had left Africa and spread across Asia as far away as Georgia and China. A little farther east, on the isolated Indonesian island of Flores, lived a hobbit-like species of human called Homo floresiensis. Despite their diminutive stature, they created sophisticated stone tools and may have even buried their dead. And then in South Africa, we find Homo naledi, who inhabited caves and crafted tools, but who also had a mix of primitive and modern features that scientists are still trying to puzzle out. And finally, there were the anatomically modern humans, Homo sapiens, our direct ancestors, who were just starting to spread out of Africa. It wasn't a racial diversity within a single species, but a whole host of different kinds of humans, each with their own unique physical characteristics, survival strategies, and cultural practices. Most of these species could interbreed, and some did, creating hybrid offspring. But today, only we remain. By 40,000 years ago, the last Neanderthal had died out in Europe. Other human species had already vanished, leaving behind only fossils, stone tools, and genetic echoes in our DNA. We don't know exactly why they died out, and we may never know. But we can speculate. As the climate changed, some groups may have been wiped out by sudden environmental shifts. As humans spread into new territories, competition for resources may have favored certain species over others. Disease could have devastated some communities without any immunity. Or Homo sapiens may have directly outcompeted them through our superior technology, social organization, or adaptability. The fossil record shows that our ancestors didn't have it all figured out. They were constantly adapting and changing as new environments and challenges arose. It's possible that the very qualities that made us successful also led to the downfall of other human species. We were more flexible, more adaptable, and perhaps better equipped to handle the challenges of a rapidly changing world. So why are we still here? Probably because during crucial moments in our evolutionary history, we were simply lucky. If you like these facts, make sure to check out our other videos. Like, comment, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more.